Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. And today is box number 2 of our Michael's $10 grab bag boxes, so stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so here is J number 2 of our Michael's $10 grab bag box. I purchased 6 of them. Long story short, I just started doing crafts and have subscribed to a couple of different crafting channels, and so I'm getting in my feed on YouTube suggestions for different crafters who have YouTube channels, and a lot of them have been for the past month, I guess, doing unboxings on these Michael's grab bag fall boxes, and I saw a couple of them and I'm like, wow, that's pretty awesome. I wonder if my Michaels still has any of the boxes left, the grab bag boxes. So I started calling around, and 2 of them that are closest to me did not have any more. They sold out, but I did find one that did have 6 boxes left, and I asked her, I said, this was on Black Friday, I said, could you please put them aside and I'll come and pick them up right now? And she said, sure, I'll do that for you. I'll put them in the back for you. And so I had my son go and pick them up for me, but he was not aware that these boxes, I seen all of them taped. Look at how my boxes are coming. Doesn't look like it ever had tape on it. I don't know, is that normal? I was a little bit skeptical, but as you guys saw on box number 1, that's pretty amazing that I was able to get what I got out of that box for it not being tape shut. The total came to, I added up all of, oh, sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to hold it in a stand and talk at the same time. And the box number 1 came to almost $500 in merchandise, guys. So I definitely don't think anybody tampered with that box at all. So I was very, very surprised. And I am very grateful for what we got out of there, because I paid $10 for it, guys, and it was almost $500 worth of merchandise inside it. So it's a great way for crafters to save money, and also resellers, because I could bundle together anything that I'm not going to use for crafting and I could resell it online next year. Granted, I'm going to have to hold on to it for a little bit, but that's okay. I have tons and tons of merchandise. I probably have a couple of thousand items in my inventory right now. So what's a couple more, right, guys? So yeah, so that's the idea, the game plan I have with this. Nothing's going to go to waste. There were a couple of items on box number 1 that were broken, but I'm going to repurpose them and use them in craft items that I'm going to be doing, or whatever. Nothing's going in the garbage. I can repurpose just about anything. So super excited about this. I don't have very high expectations. My whole mindset on this is, if I was to go out and buy a $10 scratch off, there's no guarantee that you're going to win. So based on that, not every box is going to be good. I know that. And so I'm just going to keep a positive mindset on it, and so let's see what we get. So stay tuned. Let me pause the video and get my box ready, and I will be right back. Alrighty friends, so we're going to go ahead and open this box together for the first time. We're both going to see what's inside box number 2. I have, like I said, very low expectations, and if we get something really good in here, wonderful. But from what I've seen, there's very few big ticket items in these boxes. They're more little items that are kind of priced kind of high, because you all know that Michael's does a lot of sales. They'll do coupons and different things like that. So basically, I'm not really going by what's marked the ticket price. I will probably sell everything, or if I don't use it, I'll sell it for like at least half of what's marked on the box or the package. So basically I'm hoping for some ribbon, maybe some yarn, things like that. So let's see what we get in here today. And like I said, they're not taped like they should be. Every video I seen, there was tape on them. None of my boxes were taped. A couple of them were completely opened. So, but no complaints on box number 1. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, it's a nice full box. Holy cow, look how full it is, guys. Awesome. All right, let me turn this over. Oh my goodness, there is a ton of plush in here. What else do I see? I see a mouse or a rat, an ugly looking thing. So let's get started, guys. Let's see what these little plushies are. Okay. Aw, he's cute. I like him. He's adorable. Says 1999 Ashland Halloween pillow cousin. Okay. That is super cute. Oh, look at his eyes. Embroidered eyes. Okay. Liking that. Write that down. That's 20. Looks like we got a couple of those in here. Yep. 2. Oh my God, I got things falling on me, guys. Oh, look at this one. I really like this one. Look at that ghost. These are super cute. Let's see if it's got a... This one doesn't have a tag on it. He doesn't have a tag on him, but he's super adorable, guys. So we'll just assume he's the same price as the other 2 for $19.99. Write those down. What is this pink thing? Actually, let's start with this. Oh my gosh, look at this. A disco ghost. All right. Very adorable. And $24.99 for the disco ghost. Super cute. I've seen a lot of people get like the disco theme items, so that must be in this year or something. And I like that he's black. Very cute. Oh my goodness, guys. I love this. I don't like skulls, but this for some reason is very pretty. How adorable. If you're into skulls and stuff like that for the holiday, how cute would that be on your like mantle? Put some garland, fall garland and stuff like that around him or her. That is super cute. $25, guys. Not a lot of items in here, but they're bigger items. All right, I'm afraid to touch these. These look kind of yucky. Oh my God, look at this thing, guys. Ew. Is that freaky or what? Oh my God. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. If you're doing something scary, like a scary Halloween, this would be perfect. And he's like, ew, he's squishy. Ew. All Alright, I'm a little skeeved out, guys. I'm sorry, I don't like rats. He's $25. Alright, guys. How much is this? $9.99. So that's pretty cool. What would you do with a big Christmas ball like that for Halloween? Leave me a comment down below what you would use that for. Okay, we got another big thing here. Aw, a cat. A black cat. That is adorable. He has no tag, but we'll assume he's the same price as the other one, the rat. That ugly looking rat. Oh my gosh, guys. And they're like squishy. They're like... He's cute. We're going to put him the same price as that ugly looking rat. Alright guys, 2 more items. What is this? $4.99 silicone rolling pin. Ghost rolling pin. That's cute. If you want to make cookies, or if you want to what would you use this for? You can use this for clay. Even like if you have little kids with like Play-Doh or something, this would be so cute. And that's $4.99. Alright guys, we got one more item. Okay, we have a pink disco ghost. Where's his eyes? Oh, there they are. Super cute. Does he have a tag? $24.99 guys, so $25. Let me see how that looks with the skull. How cute would that be on your mantle? Adorable, guys. Alright, let me add this up and I'll be right back. Alright friends, so I just went ahead and put everything here together, and it looks like adding everything up with the ticketed price comes to $200, guys. I would not pay $200 for this stuff, but somebody did, or would, or wouldn't. That's why it ended up in these boxes. There are some really cute items. I like the plushies back there. Those are cute. I like the pink skull and the pink disco ghost. I like the cat. He's cute. He's big too. And then this here is really cute for, like I said, crafters or kids. If you have little kids with Play-Doh or clay, or if you just want to use these for cookies. Very cute. I don't know, guys. What do you think? How do we do on this box? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. And what would you do with this stuff? Would you do something? Would you repurpose these in a craft item? Would you resell them? Would you donate them? I know a lot of people are saying donate, and that's good. I mean, just be careful where you donate, because you know, some of the stuff is, they say they're nonprofit, but just be careful where you donate. That's all I'm going to say. And trying to think where you could donate that would be a good place. But anyways, neither here nor there. I'm probably not going to donate anything with this stuff. I'm going to try and resell it, make some money back on it. And yeah, I think somebody would buy that ugly looking rat. I'll be honest with you. It's the worse, the uglier it is, the better it sells. And I bet you that will sell the best, surprisingly. And yeah, and then I'll try and put some stuff up. Maybe I'll lot it together. Maybe I can do 2 of these ghosts. The black one and the pink one and lot them up together or something. And then the plushes I can lot up together. I don't know. I'll figure out something. I got plenty of time. I got a whole year to decide. And if you guys are wondering why I decided to do one box at a time, it's because most people already purchased their Michaels boxes, so it's not like people are going to watch these to go to see if they want to go out and buy one in their area, because most likely they're already sold out for this season. The next ones will probably be for winter, for the Christmas, maybe the Christmas ones, I'm assuming. So like I'm assuming the fall ones are already gone, so I'm not gonna try and jam all of these boxes into one video. So I figured it would be nice to kind of spread it out a little bit, give everybody something to look forward to, just to kind of get an idea for next time. And yeah, that's what I decided to do, because I'm not doing the advent calendars this year, so I figured it would give us a little six video series on the Michaels boxes. So all right, friends, if you like this kind of content, would you please hit the like button, comment down below if you saw anything that was really worth the cost of this box, if you would have been happy if you received this, and maybe leave me a fall or a Halloween emoji down in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff, guys. And I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. And until next time, friends, thanks for watching and stay blessed.